Riverside. It's reopening day. It's the first day it's been open since the pandemic started, and it is empty. It's awesome. It's one of our favorite places to stay pre-pandemic. It's great. It's got a 5th sleeper. It's an amazing resort. It's one of the largest resorts. Just the buildings look incredible. We're just super excited to be here. Give you a quick room tour. Nice little table. Love the theming, the wood look. It's pretty awesome. Here's that 5th sleeper. It has drawers under it. That is awesome to have. There are 2 beds. Plenty of room for suitcases under them. Great theming. Love the theming here. Definitely spacious. Our mini fridge. And look at the theming. The lighting, the resort looks great. Cast members are very happy to have people back. They've stopped us, told us how excited they are. We're excited, they're excited. It's been a lot of fun already this morning. Nice wood paneling. Open shower. It's a little dark. It is nice. Hope you enjoy this quick room tour, and we'll do some more exploring of the grounds.
Welcome aboard the Sassagoula River Cruise, folks, with service from Port Orleans, Riverside, down to the marketplace at Disney Springs. Sit back, relax, enjoy the sights, enjoy the sounds. Thank you for sailing with us today, folks.